When you review documents and make notes, do you print them out and use a highlighter pen and make notes in the margins? With Lexis Advance, you can save time by carrying out these tasks on screen and saving them into a folder for future reference. To highlight, select the relevant text with the left mouse button and click on the highlight function. You have a choice of colors, so you can mark up your document using different criteria. To make annotations, select your text with your left mouse button and click on the annotation function. The notes box appears on the right. Add your notes and assign a color code. If you want to print, save or email documents with highlights and annotations, it is easiest to save them into a folder first. To print, save or email, go into your folder and select the items you want. You must ensure that in the formatting options, Users, Highlights, Annotations and Notes is ticked.